Hi, my name is DatT and this is my project 3. So this is my file structure. This is the main activity. And this is some of the additional file that I use. And this is my layout file. Alright, now I'm going to show the project. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter in a wrong number. Test it out. Now select this. Now that's it for my project 3. Now I'm going to show some of the additional feature that I did for this project. So in the main activity or the main page, I set a fade in and fade out feature for the background, so it looks like the background is breathing in and out. So that's it for my project 3. Thank you for listening.